Today, we're diving into the world of smartwatch customization. If you're looking to elevate your smartwatch experience, you're in the right place. Let's get started. This application is a popular tool for customizing smartwatch faces on Android devices. It allows users to create, modify, and download a wide variety of watch faces, enhancing the visual appeal and functionality of their smartwatches. With a user-friendly interface, it provides access to an extensive library of designs created by both professionals and community members. Users can personalize their watch faces by adjusting elements like colors, fonts, and layouts to match their style or needs. Additionally, the app supports interactive features, enabling users to display various information such as battery life, weather updates, fitness data, and notifications right on their wrist. This flexibility and customization make it a favorite among smartwatch enthusiasts who want to express their individuality while keeping essential information at their fingertips. Thanks for watching. We hope this exploration of smartwatch customization inspired you to express your style and stay connected in a whole new way. See you in the next video.